I'm Mandy from DG Office Furniture. Today, I would like to introduce this product. You can see at the tabletop, all the overall structure is very different. Yeah, because it is a new design this year. And this is the PU metal material. The color is green, but the color we can change other colors. And the patterns and there are the space difference of the pattern. They are also very good looking. About this is our side table. There are bento handle. You can see in there, it's very large, so it's very enough space for keeping our stuff or documents. And this is the cabinet. There are 1, 2, 3 drawers, 1, 2, 3 doors. There is also where very big the space for our shelf items and other documents. And here's on the two sides, this and this. We can put some armors or booths to decoration on theirs. Thank you.